Welcome to our Interactive Brokers Guide. Today, we'll take a closer look at how to set up your account and make your first trade. Interactive Brokers offers low trading costs, wide market access, and powerful trading tools. Let's explore these benefits further. To open an account, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements. Make sure you're of legal age and have the necessary documents ready. Let's break down the account creation process. We'll guide you step by step to ensure a smooth setup. Interactive Brokers offers various account types: individual, joint, and retirement accounts. Choose the one that suits your needs best. To comply with regulations, you need to verify your identity through Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements. Once your account is created, you can fund it through several deposit methods. Let's go through your options. Navigating the Interactive Brokers platform can be easy once you're familiar with its key features and tools. Now, it's time to place your first trade. I'll walk you through the steps involved. Understanding the difference between market orders and limit orders is essential for traders. Let's clarify these concepts. Here are some best practices for successful trading as a beginner. Remember, patience and research are your best friends.